Today we're going to review our multiplication skills. So when we multiply, what does that mean? So boys and girls, I've talked to you before that when we multiply, it's groups times how many in each group. So we have the number of groups times the number in each group equals the product. Okay, so when you see a problem such as 3 times 5, I'm going to have 3 groups, 1, 2, 3, and there's going to be 5 inside each group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So then when I count all my slashes, 5, 10, 15. Okay, so it's always groups times the number in each group. Okay, here's another one. What if we do 2 times 2? 2 groups, 1, 2, 2 in each group, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 4. Okay, so when we're multiplying, remember groups times number in each group. Or when we're doing arrays, we talk about it's the rows times the number in each row, okay? But each row is a group. Rows times number in each row equals the product. So if I have how many rows do I have? I have 1 row, 2 rows, 3 rows. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 3 rows, and there's 4 inside of each row. So then 3 times 4, when you count all them up, would be 12. So remember, when we are multiplying, it's groups times the number in each group, or rows times the number in each row, okay? One strategy that we've been talking about for memorizing our multiplication facts is our Tic Tac Toe. Okay, so let me erase this. I know that memorizing a bunch of multiplication facts can seem daunting and tricky, okay? But if we practice our skip counting, we'll count by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, etc. When we count by 3s, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, etc. Count by 4s, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, etc. Okay? If you can at least memorize the skip counting, then you can plug it into a tic-tac-toe. Okay? Now there's 9 squares in a tic-tac-toe board. If you count by 3s, if you can memorize just counting by 3s, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. So then when you see a multiplication problem such as 3 times 7, if you cannot remember 3 times 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 times 7 is 21. 3 times 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 times 8 would be 24. So if you can at least memorize your skip counting, and then you can plug it into a tic-tac-toe board when you are prompted with a multiplication problem, then you could just count the tic-tac-toe squares to solve that problem, okay? And another one, let's say, when we get to bigger numbers, such as counting by 6s, 7s, 8s, 9s, I know that's tricky. One strategy that we've also talked about, before you have it memorized for your skip counting, if you can't remember the skip counting, you could, let's say you want to count by 7s, you could go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, okay? Do 7 slashes. You know that's 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, and so forth. So if you can't remember how to count by 7, 7, 14, 21, 28, and 35, so forth, then you can do your slashes, but you don't need to make 35 slashes. Just do, if you're counting by 7s, just make 7 and just count them over and over again. When you put them in your tic-tac-toe board, then you like say 7 times 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There you go. Okay? So the thing I want you to take away from today with our multiplication, I just want to refresh your memories with it's groups times the number in each group. And then rows times the number in each row for when we do those arrays. And if you can't memorize just 3 times 5, 15, 9 times 9, 81, then at least try to get your skip counting pattern memorized. Then you can plug this in to a tic-tac-toe board, okay?